Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you the new trending effect which is being used on TikTok called the dancing dino, and it looks like this. There are 3 versions to this effect and it's quite amusing. So to begin with, let's open up the TikTok app. Now let's tap on the Discover tab to do a search. In the search bar, type in dancing dino. You should see an effect appear underneath effects and it should look like this. Tap on it and then at the bottom tap on the camera icon to use it. This will then take you into the video creation screen of TikTok and it will show you a cartoon dinosaur with your face in it. If you look above the recording button, you should see 3 options for the dancing dino. The first one is where you can be the dancing dino itself. Only your face will be substituted for the dinosaur's face. The second option is where you can have the dancing dino dance on top of your head. The third option is where you can have the dancing dino behind you. If you don't like the music, you can change the music by tapping on Add Sound. Then press record to record your very own dancing dino on TikTok. This is a pretty cool effect as it's using AI tech to show you all the graphics. And there you go, that is a new trending effect in TikTok called dancing dino. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.